Question number 1. Life is not a bed dash roses. A. With. B. Of. C. For. D. Off. Answer B. Of. Question number 2. My grandfather will come here dash a week. A. With. B. Before. C. At. D. Within. Answer D. Within. Question number 3. The work was completed dash sunset. A. For. B. In. C. At. D. About. Answer C. At. Question number 4. Can you write dash this pen? A. By. B. In. C. With. D. On. Answer C. With. Question number 5. We are pleased dash your visit. A. With. B. At. C. By. D. On. Answer A. With. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Question number 6. I shall meet you dash 6 o'clock. A. By. B. At. C. In. D. During. Answer B. At. Question number 7. My father will retire from service dash a year. A. Of. B. On. C. In. D. By. Answer C. In. Question number 8. Suganya writes dash her left hand. A. On. B. With. C. In. D. By. Answer B. With. Question number 9. He comes dash a car. A. At. B. By. C. With. D. On. Answer B. By. Question number 10. Most of us eat dash a spoon. A. With. B. In. C. For. D. By. Answer A. With. Thanks for tuning into the General Knowledge Corner. We hope you enjoyed learning something new today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any suggestions or requests for future topics, please leave a comment below. Stay curious and keep exploring.